You know comments can be edited, right? So this is the original comment that I was replying to, where he says, "I was just expressing my opinion. You don't have to get all bunched up your panties." And I had replied to that comment, and I'm just expressing my opinion about a clueless and insensitive opinion posted to this video. He changed it to, "I was just expressing my opinion that he should get circumcised, but he doesn't have to if he doesn't want it." Well, that wasn't conveyed in his original comment, and you can see the link in the video description to see his original comment. So I was going to make the point that the more I read his replies, the sadder his opinions seemed. And then someone called him out on being a troll, and this is what he wrote. "Troll-la-la-la-la. Feed me." So that's something to keep in mind, that there are trolls. There are people that are not even serious when they're writing their comments. So that's something to keep in mind. But this is a serious case. Click here to watch that video. And now I learned this, that the judge puts a gag order on the mother fighting for her son, fighting to keep her son from being circumcised. The SavingChase.org website says that they have some positive news to share with us. The website has an update where it says the court granted a 10-day extension for appeal. Chase's mother has been granted a 10-day extension to submit her notice of intent to appeal to the court. She now has to December 1st. This is a time-sensitive thing. That's why I'm encouraging people, the more publicity, the more power this woman will have to fight to keep her son from being circumcised against his wishes. So please see that video and share it with others. The boy is 4 years old. Well, I explained the situation in the video. And also the Facebook page for Chase called Chase's Guardians has shared the link to this video to get it more coverage. You can vote up the link on the Facebook page too. Please use the YouTube tools to share it because we're getting the message out. And you could also follow Representative Press on Twitter. You can subscribe to the Representative Press blog and of course subscribe to the Representative Press YouTube channel.